the channel. It's February 17th at 4:46 in the morning. Today we're doing a short little run from the company terminal in Alvarado up to Dallas. It's about 40 miles. We're going to deliver a load of insulation, and then we'll have another load after that. So could be a little bit longer video today, but we'll get on the road here shortly. Got our coffee brewing. We're going to finish up our pre-trip, and we'll hit the road. Thanks for riding along. Coming into Dallas. I don't know if this is I-35E, Interstate 30, or US 67. I'm not exactly sure which one, but at any rate, we got about 7.5 miles till we get there. Be half an hour early for our appointment. Good. There's downtown Dallas straight ahead of us. That's pretty cool. Buildings all lit up. AT&T's headquarters is here in Dallas, and apparently they're leaving downtown. Made it. We're getting unloaded. We've actually been here for like an hour and 15 minutes. We should be getting pretty close to being done. I don't know what the plan is next, but we'll see. Hopefully we get something good. We got our next load. We're heading over to Copel, Texas. We're going to pick up a preloaded trailer and take it up to Oklahoma City. It's a live unload tonight between 5:30 and 8. Downside is it says the trailer isn't going to be ready until 1 o'clock. It's 8:25 right now. GPS says we'll be there at 8:50. My hope is that ready earlier than that. But we'll see. sit around and wait on my next load. But we don't get paid unless the wheels are moving. At least I don't. I get paid strictly by the mile, unless I have detention somewhere. You know, after an hour of being someplace, they start paying me. But I won't get paid for sitting around between loads. So it is what it is. It's part of it. At least should be a couple 100 miles today. But it'll be a change of pace, that's for sure. So that part's cool. All right, we got our trailer loaded. We're heading for a Shaw flooring facility in Oklahoma City. We have another load for tomorrow already. We're gonna get some miles in this week, which is great. We got 197 miles up to Oklahoma City. Should be there about 3.5 hours, I'd say. We're gonna stop here as soon as we can and scale this load and make sure the load is okay as far as weight goes. I think it is, but we'll have to see. Sure. All right, we just got off a 35E north, just north of Denton. We got to stop here at the TA, scale this load. Sitting at 167 miles to the receiver. I hate this road because there's always traffic and construction, but what are you gonna do? So we're gonna swing in here, scale this thing quick, and we'll get back on the road here shortly. River into Oklahoma. We got the big way station coming up at 12 miles up here. The one that's generally always open. It says it's open, so we're gonna have that to contend with. And there's also a wind advisory. They got Panhandle of Texas, west of 283 in Oklahoma, which I believe is Oklahoma Panhandle, shut down as well due to this wind. From everything I'm seeing, I think we're good up to our shipper, or up to our receiver. I did it again. Things to contend with. We weighed out at the TA up there. The weight was good. It took us a minute to get out of there. There was construction on the on-ramp back onto 35, and a wide load got in the right turn lane and realized before he got there that he wouldn't fit, and I don't think he would fit under the bridge or something. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but so he was waiting. The police came and directed traffic and killed like 20 minutes of our time. But it's alright, we're back on the road. This is the Windstar Casino up here on our right in Backerville, Oklahoma. It's been a little while since I've been up here. We're going to be all the way almost to Kansas tomorrow. We'll be picking up a load of salt from Cargill salt, and that's going to go down to Mount Vernon, Texas. But we got to get up here to Oklahoma City first. We're going to get to Oklahoma City, get unloaded, hopefully in a good amount of time we can get a parking spot. I'll see you guys after the weigh station. Alright, we just got through the scale here in Oklahoma. Thankfully, we got a bypass on the scale. They had us pull in, but there were a lot of trucks, so we got the fortunate gift of not having to run across the actual scales. Not that we were overweight, just saves more time if we don't have to stop. So 120 miles to go. 4:21 is our estimated time of arrival. They had to go blowing past me, but cut me off too. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Fire warning, wind warning, all kinds of stuff. I don't think we're going to get up into that today yet. Hope not. So I want to make this delivery. Make this delivery to get paid. We're about to come into Oklahoma City. About family. Right ahead is down. Well, you guys can't see it yet. Oh, yeah, you can. There's Oklahoma City, downtown. I don't know if I've ever gotten that on camera. I'm not sure if when I was up here at the Coca-Cola distributor, if I got it on camera or not. We're gonna get off of we're getting on Interstate 40 West. We're gonna get back off it in a little over 5 miles. 6.5 miles till we get there. So, just about done with this leg of the trip. I think I was talking about it earlier. We're supposed to get heavy, some high wind. Just as I came around that corner, it was the first time I felt it. We'll be there shortly. We made it. Sorry about the wind. We were supposed to be a live unload, and they told me to drop the trailer. So we're done in like half an hour. It's freaking awesome. But yeah, worked for the night. Just walking around, checking things out. Sleep in tomorrow. Excited about that.